Okay, so here we are at the Comfrey patch. It's May the 14th, 2014, and again the comfrey is just at the right time for picking, just before it flowers. Now we've got a lot of weed encroachment on this patch, unfortunately, so it might diminish the size of the patch in future years. We've got Japanese knotweed and brambles and raspberries and all sorts here. Anyway, I'll walk around the patch so you can get some idea of the size of the amount of comfrey there is. Okay, so you can see how big it is. It's quite a big patch all around. There it is. So what I'll do is I'll crop all this comfrey and then bag it all up, and we'll have a very plentiful supply of comfrey manure to feed the tomato plants all of this year.